Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel! So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY using Dollar Tree stuff and a couple of things that I got from Target not too long ago. I'm so excited to share this with you. I hope these turn out what I got pictured in my head because sometimes it just doesn't go as planned, but it's totally okay. So anyways, I'm going to be making these cute little farmhouse signs. I'm going to show you how I make them and how much I spent, and it's probably going to be under $2 or under $3 to make both of them. So I'm so excited to get started. So I'm going to get started now because my intros have been just insanely long lately. So yeah. So I just have these two little signs I'm going to be using today, and I did not like the ugly little arrows on them, but I knew that I could take them apart, and I really liked the wood piece that they had on the back. So I could not wait to use these, and I was just going to spray paint them both. But first I had to take all of this string off, and then I did end up using one of the arrows, so I did leave some of the nails, and then the other one I did take off. But I'm just going to cut the twine off and then just get these ready so I can start spray painting them. I did use chalkboard paint for one of them, and then I just used a white. It's an heirloom white. It's just what I use for everything. And then this one I did just use needle nose pliers just to take all of these little nails out. And then for the one I used the chalkboard paint on, I'm just going to use this garland. I just recently got this from Target in the dollar spot. This was $3. And I just wanted to make a bunch of little wreaths out of this, so I'm just going to cut a little bit of this apart and then just glue it on right to the board. And then once I did glue it down, I realized that it was a little off-centered, but there was nothing I could do because if I ripped this off, I would have to re-spray paint everything. So I just left it at that. And then I got these little adhesive stickers. I got these from the dollar spot at Target as well. These were also $3. And then I just used this little gather one in the middle because I really wanted to be able to use this year round. So I thought this turned out so cute, and then I just added twine to the holes again so I would be able to hang it up. And that is it for this one. I thought this one was so cute, and I was so happy with the way this one turned out. Something wrong, trying to find a peace of mind so I can let you go. You try to change my... And then for this one, I did decide to use the arrow for it. I just wanted to use twine though, and my string art is not on point, so I just kind of was winging this just a little bit and then ended up cutting and just hot gluing because I wasn't really sure how I was going to get the arrow part in the middle. So this was fine, and I was happy with the way this turned out as well. I was just really excited that I was able to actually kind of do string art in some sort of way, but I think I didn't end up using one nail, which I should just pull out, but I kept it just in case I did this wrong and remembered how to do it. And the next thing is I just printed this pumpkins you pick off a free printable website, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And then this, I just scratched the pencil all over the back side so I could trace the front, and then it would leave the imprint on the piece of board, and I was really happy with how this turned out. I love this way of stenciling versus anything else, or even just buying your own stencils. This is so much cheaper and so easy. You'd see me cry again. And then once everything was traced on, I just took a permanent marker just so I could trace around it so it'd be easier to paint. I did end up painting black, and then I ended up going back over all the letters with a black permanent marker because I didn't realize like how well you would be able to see the gray all around it, and I did make my lines a lot neater and cleaner. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know you. The last thing I'm going to do to this sign is I got these adhesive stickers from the dollar spot at Target. These were $3, and then I'm just going to add 2 to the bottom, and I thought this turned out really cute. It's really simple, and then I also just put the twine back on so I could hang them if I wanted to. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other ideas to make these signs a little bit not as plain as what they are, please let me know and leave that in the comments below.
And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!